What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Why is this like this? I gotta pull this in here. There's like desert sand in here and it's getting stuck. But what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, we're gonna go actually, well, a couple things. So I'm gonna get a sticker made for the boat right here. And actually, I don't even like calling it the boat, nor like calling it the Fat Cat. So I'm gonna come up with another name for this boat. If you guys get any ideas, comment down below. But what we're gonna do here is we're gonna head to Steve's shop and I'm gonna get a sticker, same color, same everything, but it's gonna say BAM! Eddie's Life right there. The blue, the yellow, the gray right on top. So Steve, obviously, you know, Steve's the one who makes all of my stickers for, you know, the one that's here, the one that's over here, the one that's on the back of my truck. But I want it to, you know, match the boat perfect. So we're gonna head over there and see what he can do. I took some measurements for him, and he's going to pretty much match the color. I took a photo of the color for him to try to match the color perfect, as good as he can, basically. And also we're gonna go check on Nick. Nick's over there. I don't know if I showed you guys. Nick, him and Nick, they like share the shop. It's a pretty nice shop, actually. I personally have never been there since it's been done, but we're gonna head over there. And well, let's go see what we gotta do. But first, we got to warm up the old Rammer girl over here. Look, I haven't driven this thing, guys, and I don't know how long. And you know, I just get so excited driving this thing. I don't know why. I love it. But let's let her warm up. We'll let her warm up. I think it's like, look at it. It's 85 degrees outside. No, you can't help me with anything, Siri. Sorry. 85 outside, but the AC is on in the garage, so the truck's probably 70 degrees. But let's start her up for you guys, shall we? DPF back kit, take what? Nothing like good old smell diesel in the morning, folks. Ooh, holy moly, I gotta back this thing out of the garage. Man, this thing stinks. Also, another thing I want to tell you guys is a lot of you guys DM me. And first, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram to know all the giveaways and stuff, you gotta follow me on Instagram at Eddie's Life, and you will know all the giveaways and everything I'm doing, because that's where I announce them first. But everybody that's asking me, Eddie, I got a 17 Ram or whatever, and saying, you know, are you still tuned by Optimal Welding? Guys, if I change tunings, you know, if I get a new tune and it's not Matt at Optimal Welding, I will let you guys know right away. And here's another thing about Matt, and here's what's nice about it, is Matt will actually work with you one-on-one, and he will actually give you a custom tune for you. Custom means for you, not some other places where they just copy and paste the file and say, oh, here you go. And then if you have a problem, you call them and then they'll figure it out from there. Matt will actually say, okay, what do you want it for? Are you racing? Are you towing? Are you just cruising around? You want fuel mileage? What do you want? Like when I told him about my truck, I said, I mainly use this Ram for towing, you know? So he was, okay, you know, you'll want that low end torque, you know, down low. And I said, sure, you know, whatever you think is right for towing. Because he sent me a file, sort of like a, I think it was more an eco file, and it dropped pretty much fuel pressure, he was saying, which it was great. I got good fuel mileage, but I didn't have that low end torque, that low end grunt. You know, I said, hey, I don't want this anymore. I want the other one. He goes, well, then you're gonna lose some fuel mileage. You know, I said, whatever, I don't care. I want this for that low end power and for pulling. So that's what was nice about him, is he custom made the tune the way I wanted it. All right, guys, we have arrived here at VVW. Steve, is it still VVW or did you change the name? VVW. It is still VVW, okay. Before you guys asked me, yes, it is still VVW, and look at this. I mean, this looks like a nightmare. Look at this. You're literally pulling all these stickers off right here. You gotta do the whole entire motorhome and the other side, because the guy wants new graphics. He wants to re-sticker it. And this right here, look at that. I figure Steve should be done in about, I don't know, 3 months. I'd say 3 months. All right, let's go check on Nick. Just lift this thing up right here. What the hell? Look at this guy. What in the... Look at this guy. He's got his truck, trailer in here. Like he thinks he's at home or something. Look at, I can just come start jacking some stuff over here. Look at this guy. He only does trucks now, guys. This guy is strictly a truck. There used to be M4s, M5, M12s, M18, nothing. Now it's just truck guys. Boats. What is this, dude? Wow. Look at Nick's buying boats over here. Look at this guy. Look, this guy Jacob's still standing around. What are you doing? Just trying to fix everything with your eyes?
Yeah, just walking.
Are you doing an air condition check?
Yeah.
All right.
Bathroom checks.
Everything good?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was good.
It feels good. It feels really good, man. Yeah, it's a nice garage, man.
95 outside of 70.
Oh, dude, it's so hot outside. It is so hot outside. Hey, who's this? Whose truck is this?
I don't know, probably someone's gonna watch your video.
It's a nice truck. Oh, he's got my same cover. Oh, this thing's nice.
Want to see a magic trick? Watch.
What are you doing to this thing?
Watch, ready? So we're having you.
What is
you
it?
walked in on a good timing right here.
What kind of
walked
magic
in-
trick?
You walked in on a nice headache right now.
A headache?
This black GMC paint.
This thing looks
is
good.
giving me nightmares.
There's
Oh,
no
yeah, that's
swirls.
great. Okay, yeah, see that? Watch this. Okay, so this is panel wipe. So before we coat this, we had to.
Yeah, you gotta put, that's what you did on, yeah, my truck. Okay.
Ready?
Magic trick. All
Little
right.
magic.
Hold on. Alright, now look closely. Look at that magic trick. Oh, it's not as bad. But look closely. See all the micro haze? Camera won't see it, but
No.
if you look closely.
I mean, I'm looking close, but I can't see. Looks great, dude. I do that to the whole truck, call it a day. And it looks great to me.
Really? You don't see that?
No, I mean, I see like it was right there and you just wiped it.
No, I'm not seeing like the liquid. Like look at the paint correction, like the actual swirls. You see very fine, like little.
Hey,
like,
how you
looks like
guys
hair.
doing there?
This is little hairs, right?
Fluid mirror, though.
Like, you're talking the little tiny swirls that's in it? Yo, don't you gotta still buff and correct?
That
And...
was after the polish.
Yeah, this is a step.
This paint is so soft that nothing right now is touching this paint.
Okay,
I'm
well, if you
using a
guys
finishing
got a
pad on a finishing polish, and it's still leaving haze behind.
finishing. So I guess if you guys got a black Chevy.
Well, the thing is, this is I'm getting paid for a one-step correction here.
Okay.
Is the issue, and I did the one step, and
One step's not working.
Not one step did great, but
Oh.
when I do the
How did C. Bailey's truck turn out? Good? Because his is black.
It does the same exact thing.
Jeez, all right, guys, don't buy black
I thought I
Chevys.
was smart of this truck, and
Not black anything.
No, but I told him I hate black cars, man. Black cars are horrible. Well, this is a nice truck, though. What is it, L5P? Nice. L5P. I gotta say, though, man, when black looks like clean, it looks amazing. I mean, look at this thing. Wow. This is a nice truck.
What's going on, guys? Hey, Zach over here. We got Nick. Let's find out. Hey, let's see where he is. Oh, there he is.
Hey!
Oh, shit wasn't in focus.
We're gluing some, where you going? I'm over here, Jimmy. You got the camera, you're supposed to be pointing at me. Where are you looking over there?
What's wrong with your focus,
I'm
dog?
testing camera, guy. What?
Oh, there you go.
It's not focusing?
No, there it goes.
So we're gluing some tires right now and getting ready for the big race. We actually got a big race in Orange County. When's the race in Orange County, Nick? Over there, Buffalo. I don't know. I think it's the 27th. When's the big race in Orange County?
June 27th.
That's gonna be the first one. You know that, right? JBRL.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we've got tires glued. Time to head to the racetrack. But before we do, this thing is coming. It's been, you know, a couple hours. This thing's coming out. I mean, look at this. Hey, how you doing there?
Oh yeah.
And this is only a level. What is this?
Level 2.
Level 2. I mean,
The one step enhancement.
so I don't know the difference. Supposedly, it's not as like.
This is a Barrett Jackson showroom.
Yeah, it's not perfection, but it's level 2. I mean, it looks pretty damn perfect. I mean, look at this thing. Oh, this is what he's doing right here. But here, I'll show you guys what it looked like. Hold on, let me see if I can show you. Yeah, look at what is everything. Where is there like a bad spot on this thing I can show them?
Show the tailgate. Leave it on
Oh, yeah.
You haven't done tailgate? Check this tailgate out, guys. I'll show you. So here's a perfect example. You see, I mean, pretty much you see it's like a black glass mirror. Here you go. Check out the tailgate here. I mean, tailgate doesn't even look that bad either. Oh, there's no light. Holy moly! Look at that, guys. Jeez. Oh, the camera can't even focus on it so bad. Hold on, holy! It won't even focus. One sec. No, but now you can't see the swirls.
I know. Let it focus.
Oh, there you go. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
This is 2019.
That is it. Look at this guy. That is insane.
No bueno.
That is insane compared to that. I mean, look at the light. That is crazy.
This blue light's worse than that orange light, so think about it that way.
Oh, the blue brings out more swirls?
Way more.
Wow.
Especially on a dark color like this. I'm
Oh,
like,
this thing.
now.
This thing looks very, very nice. Black is, oof, black's hard to keep clean though. All right, guys, we have arrived. Well, we've actually not have arrived. We've been here at SDRC now.
7 hours.
Yeah, what time is it? Let me see. It is, I didn't come late. What are you talking about? Oh yeah, it's 11:17 right now. Track is pretty much empty. It's nice, quiet. We literally all broke today. He busted the front diff cover, incredible. Literally the whole thing ripped off. Jacob, he did a great job marshalling, just picking up our cars. He busted an A-arm, and my shit caught fire, so that's why I had to buy a new one of these. So now we're just cleaning up. Just gonna pack up and we're gonna hit the road. Now we gotta head back to Alpine RC. Yeah, race started midnight at Alpine RC on the 8 scale track. So we've decided, guys, these cars. Where's my car anyway? Oh, I almost forgot my car. So these cars were going to be strictly 10 scale and for like indoor tracks. But what we're also going to do is we've decided, me, Nick, and Vic have decided that we're going to go and sign up for every single JBRL race. So we're going to do the whole tour. The first tour starts on the 27th, right? 27th? 27th in OCRC. And we're going to do all of them. They have them in Chico. I think the furthest one's like 5 hours away. Are you ready?
Come on.
Are you ready? He's still super good. He's ready, all right. You ready? We need marshals.
My question is, what car do I race?
I'm gonna race a 4-wheel drive. No, don't race that thing, dude. I think you're gonna break it again. And then big shout out to Sean over here for taking care of us and everything. Sean, say what up to the YouTube. He's maintaining the track right now, but this is, as you guys know, our home track actually. So some of you guys told me here, have you been to SDRC? Yes, I've actually been coming here for 10 plus years, but this is his new layout, and I gotta say, it's tricky. The trickiest section is right here. Usually it used to be a massive straightaway right here. Well, now you sort of come off this triple, then you gotta kind of hit this little chingy bing bing bing, and then you get a little step down here. But other than that, the track layout is really, really nice. But that's all I got for you guys today for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to stay for the RC, tour, stay tuned and click that subscribe button. Peace.
Yeah.